This is my first time making a flip snail mail album. Now, originally when I started, I thought this was going to be a photo album, but I don't know a whole lot of people who actually print off photos. So it just turned into this big book of ephemera that I'm swapping with one of the great ladies in Creative and Crafty Planner Girls. So let's take a look at this guy. So first of all, I don't know if it's supposed to be that thick, because boy is he thick. And it happened by accident. But I'll show you each of the pages. I won't show you what's inside of the envelope, because inside the envelope I ended up sticking a bunch of stickers, some extra scrapbooking paper, and this tag actually is just a blank card that my swap partner can do whatever she wants to with it. Use it for photos, use it for stickers, quotes, what have you. And here I put some of those little quote cards, little cards that came in with the sticker pack. And I threw in, if she should decide to want to go, the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo happens every year. And this is a free admission ticket. Any location that's near her if she should decide to go. And these are more and more of those because I made those into little pockets. The inspiration from this came from May Made It. I watched a number of videos about this flip book, but like the way May made hers. Now this back piece, I know you probably can't tell, is actually the cover of the paper pad that I used to make the book. So I cut the top piece off because I needed another sheet and figured why make it go to waste when you can use it as a background paper. These are stickers, and that's just the background paper. And the paper pack that I use, I just showed you the cover of it. I actually picked up from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo last year. It used to come to Akron, and as of last year, they stopped coming to Akron. So I no longer get to go to the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. I feel as though this page needs more, but there's so much in the book that I don't think very much more can fit. And this is, I do believe, the last page. Yes, yes. And this is the back cover. So that is my version of the flipbook snail mail for a swap. And actually, I specifically requested a partner that did not want to send me one back, because I actually, ironically enough, I just wanted to play with this and experiment with it and try it, and now it's out of my system. So there you go. Thanks for watching.